Hello, KA. It is You Day in our ABC Countdown, and for You Day, I would like for you to share what makes you unique. What makes you special or unique? We're in the month of May, so we're going to sing our May song together. Go ahead and follow along with me. M-A-Y spells May. M-A-Y spells May. The 5th month of the year, M-A-Y spells May. Kids go out and play all through the month of May. 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. So we said we are in the month of May, and you can see that right up here on our calendar, M-A-Y, May. Now we're going to look for the number that's underneath of our balloon. Our number is 1 more than 13 and 1 less than 15. It's the number 14. Today is the 14th. We circle 14. And to figure out the day of the week, we're going to go straight up, look at the day of the week, and it says it's Thursday. Okay, so you see that TH, Thursday. So remember the 3 parts that we need. We need to remember it's the 14th, it's a Thursday, and we're in the month of May. Let's go here and fill out days of the week. So we said today is Thursday. Let's find Thursday. If we don't know, we can sing our song to get to Thursday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. Oop, look, we found Thursday. Yesterday was, today is Thursday. Yesterday means the day before it was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be, here's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Fun Friday tomorrow. All right, let's go up to the red sentence and read with me. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Awesome. All right, so we already said today is Thursday. So I found Thursday. I'm going to put it on our line. Let's scroll down so we can see all of our months. Here we go. All right, so what month are we in again? May. M-A-Y spells May. There it is. May. And we remember the number that we popped. 1, 4 is the number 14. Now let's move our year down. 2020. All right, let's go ahead and repeat after me. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. May 14th. May 14th. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Okay, how many days have we been learning at home? In order to figure that out, we need to add 1 to our ones place. So we'll put that there. Now we need to count how many are in our ones place. 2, so we need to write a 2 up here to make our big number. And how many are in our tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let me erase that just a little bit. I need to count all the ones in my tens place by 10. So let's go ahead and do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 42. 42 days of learning at home. All right, we need to erase a day. How many days left of kindergarten? 5 more days. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Well, if I look out of my window, I can see it is sunny and cloudy. This morning, early morning, it was thundering and pouring down rain, but it's changed to sunny and cloudy. I am thankful for sunny and cloudy weather. I think it might rain a little bit later today, but right now let's enjoy the sunshine while we have it. Sunny and cloudy. All right, and we'll graph sunny and cloudy, which is right here. Remember, we call that partly cloudy. All right, let's figure out what the temperature is right now in Oakwood, Ohio. In Oakwood, it says it is 64. It says the sun's not out right now, but that icy sun right now might go away. 64. All right, 64 is a little bit warmer than it was yesterday early on in the morning, so it might get even warmer. 64 Minnie Mouses. No, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's read our sentences today. Let's start at the very top. Do you, all right, let's look at this. TH, ink, think. Do you think? All right, SH together says shh. So we want to say shh. Arks. Sharks. Do you think sharks? And cats can be friends. Do you think sharks and cats can be friends? All right, well, let's start at the very beginning of our sentence right up here. We know we need to change that to a capital letter D, okay? Do you think sharks and cats can be friends? Right, well, we need to have some punctuation at the end. If you read it, you can tell I'm asking a question. So if I'm asking a question, I need to have a question mark at the end of our sentence. Now, look right here. This letter F. Does that need to be capitalized? Is that the first word in our sentence? No, that's not the first word in our sentence. The first word in our sentence is do. Do you think sharks and cats can be friends? Well, friends is not just the full sentence, right? We need all of these words before friends, so we know that that is not the very beginning of our sentence, so we do not capitalize that letter, even though it starts this line. That doesn't mean it starts the sentence. All right, let's go to our next sentence. One is in the, all right, let's sound this one out. You can say O-S-H says shh. I-N, we already know what that word is, in. All right, so let's put that together. O-sh-in. Ocean. Ocean. One is in the ocean. Which one is in the ocean? Sharks or cats? The sharks are in the ocean. Okay, well, let's fix our sentence. We need to have a capital letter at the beginning, and let's put a period at the end. One is in the ocean. I'm not asking you a question. I'm letting you know. One belongs in the ocean. All right, let's go to the last sentence here. One is in your OU says ow. So we're going to say ouse. Ouse. One is in your house and on. Wool. A-N says an. Wool and land. One is in your house and on land. So I do not have a cat in my house, but I do know that there are cats that are at my neighbor's house, and sometimes I see them out in the backyard because they are on land, right? They're not in the ocean, they're on land. So let's fix this sentence. We need, just like our other one, a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. One is in your house and on land. Well, what are we missing? Still punctuation, right? Let's put a period at the end of that. Now, I found some silly pictures of sharks and cats. So I thought that I would share those silly pictures of sharks and cats. This is the first one I found. And it's this little shark bed, and the cats are inside of it. This one, he doesn't look like he's enjoying it too much, and it almost looks like that shark is eating him. And this one looks like the kitty, he's okay with his shark bed. He might be friends with his shark. Let's look at another one. These ones are kitties with shark outfits on to make them look like sharks. I thought these ones were silly too. And the last one I thought was extra silly. It's a real shark and a kitty that looks like he's trying to tap him on the nose. I think that this picture is fake, and they made this little kitty they put him on the picture. I don't think he was really in the ocean, but I think the picture is extra silly, so I thought I would show you that too. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to our number talks. And for number talk today, for Thursday, it's 5 and 10 frames fun. Now, remember, I'm going to show you the 5 and 10s frame, and I'm only going to show you for a little bit. So try very hard to figure out how many how many dots are in the 10s frame. And remember, try and put those dots where it helps you count by either 10s or 5s, where you can see it very clearly, okay? Let's look at this one. Okay. So if you could tell how many were up at the top, there were 6, and how many were at the bottom? 6. So 6 and 6 together equals 12, 12 dots. All right, let's try it again. Okay, how many dots were there? Well, let's look at it again. Look, if you take this dot and bring it down here, you can tell that there are 5 in a row. So you can go 5 and 5 together. Uh-oh. That one, it does not equal 12. It equals 10. Silly me. 5 and 5 together is 10. All right, look at this one. Okay, what do you think? Right, there was 5 at the top and 10 at the bottom. So 5 and 10 together equals 15. Let's look at this last one. All right, you saw 3 10s frames. So that's 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. 30 plus 5 equals 35. Have an awesome day, Kay.